Hello everyone. Welcome to your channel Stock Doctor. As you all know, we have started this channel recently. The main agenda of this channel is to analyze index and index related major stocks on weekly basis. Last week we discussed about Nasdaq and Dow Jones. So let's see what was our view on the index and where index went in the entire week. Last weekend, we analyzed Dow Jones when it had the price of 33,800. Our view was it has high probability to go for 34,000 and 34,500. So let's see where index went for entire week. So index opened on Monday. It made the low of 33,665 and it closed at 34,200. So it has completed the first target of 34,000 and it is about to complete the second target of 34,500. So let's see what is our view on Dow Jones for the next week. So let's go onto the chart. And if you see here, I want to show you some important facts about Dow Jones. So this is the drawing which I have done, and I want to show you some facts here. So if you analyze Dow Jones here, you can see right now the Dow Jones closed at the highest point on Friday. If you see the RSI here, the RSI is kind of over exhausted or overbought zone. Here I want to show you some chart patterns. If you see here, index made two upswings and then consolidation followed by upswing. Then again consolidation in 3 days followed by upswing. Then three consolidation and upswing. And now it made one green candle. Now I'm thinking that it can go on sideways for next 2 to 3 days, like the pattern which it had in the past three consecutive times. Maybe it will repeat it fourth time, like here, uh, like here it might create 2 to 3 candles like this, the first candle, the second candle, consolidation candle, and it might give a one upswing like this. So now index might have the support at index might take support at 34,000 here. If you analyze it hourly basis, then I think index might take support at this zone 34,033 and 33,961 is the support zone for the index. If it breaks and trade consecutively below that, then it might go towards 33,600. Now keep in the mind that index has this trend line, right? So my view is index might take a pause here, take a support at 34,030, 33,960 zone and might resume from there. If it doesn't hold those levels, then index will try to come towards 33,600. And if it doesn't sustain there, then definitely it will go more down like 33,150. Right, so index has current support at 34,030, 33,960 zone, and the next upswing should be of for 34,500 and 35,000. But as I said, keep in mind that index has RSI at overbought zones. So I will definitely be cautious here. So let's discuss the next stock which represents the Dow Jones index is Apple. So as we all know, last week I mentioned about Apple as the price action says it will go towards 137.5 and 143. The channel top is at 147. The first support is at 126. Strong support at 118 on closing basis. So let's see how it performed last week. So last week on Monday, it made a low of 130 and it made high of 135. So it's still in the channel, and it might go towards 137 and 144. But as you all know, if index will perform on the upside, then the stock will also go on the upside. The next stock is Boeing. Now, if you see the chart pattern of Boeing, to me, it looks like Boeing is trading in the narrow range, and it is having immediate support at 246 is the first support and 242 is second support. It is respecting this trend line. So if index take a deep, and if Boeing also take a deep, and if it touches this trend line somewhere, this zone 240 243 zone, then one can make up, one can take a position for the target of 257 and onwards. So for the Boeing, the support zone is 246 and 242. If it breaks below this trend line, then it will be having the lower targets of 232 and 217. The next stock is CRM. CRM is trading in a nice channel. If you see here, previously it was trading in up channel. Now it is trading in a down channel. So CRM can make top around 136, and it might take a U-turn from there. If index will not resume upside and it goes down, then CRM has first support at 220 and 217 area. So 217 to 220 is a support zone, first support zone for the CRM. And if it starts trading below that, then it might go towards low of the channel. To for CRM to perform well, it should break this channel resistance with the good volume and a good green candle. If you look at the RSI of the CRM, RSI is not yet overbought. So CRM can have two probabilities. Either it can go, it can make one upswing towards the resistance zone, and then it might take a U-turn from there and then go down. The second scenario is if it breaks this channel, then definitely it will go up. The first target would be on the upside. Just a moment. That will be around 250 zones. Let's talk about the next stock Disney. Now, if you see Disney has the consolidation, then upswing, consolidation, then upswing. Now consolidation. Now it will make a upswing once it breaks this trend line. If it breaks this trend line with good volume, RSI is not overbought, so it has high probability that it can go towards the first resistance zones of 191, and if it sustains above that, then it might go towards 196 and 201 levels. As of now, the stock is in the downtrend and it need a good breakout candle with good volume so that it can reach to the next targets. The next stock is Home Depot. Home Depot has given a very nice breakout. It was trading in the channel. It was consolidating here for a long time and then it gave a breakout, and now it is going up with a very you can say it is a parabolic up move. So I would be very cautious with this kind of upswing because the RSI is extremely overbought, but we cannot say that stock will go down from here because the swing is it is creating a big red green candles with the volume, but I am not confident on the levels that on which level I should buy because it looks bit expensive on the technical side. So I would rather wait, and if I get any good chart price action, then I will enter here. Keep in mind that it has earning on 18th May. So I would better wait it to consolidate or correct little, let RSI gets cool off, and then if the I will get a good price action, then I will enter into this stock. The next stock is Microsoft. If you see here on the day time frame, Microsoft was trading in this channel, and now it gave a breakout in this channel from this channel. Now, if you see here from last few days, it was trading with the green candles and with the green volumes. Now, this stock is having its earning on 28th of April. It was trading in a narrow range and it gave a breakout from narrow range and then it spiked up. At this point of time, I will not be buyer on this stock, but if I have the position, then I will hold this stock until the earning day come, because stock is in the bull mode, but it is not giving us the right price point to enter into. But whoever have entered into this stock on lower levels, he should definitely hold this stock. The first support for this stock is coming at the level of 244. So that will be the support level we need to watch out. If the stock comes toward this support level, then definitely we will think that time to whether make entry in this stock or not. The next stock is United Health Group. Now in this stock, I observed some points which I want to discuss with you all here. When it had the previous high on 7th of January, on the 8th of January, it created a hanging man pattern. And if you guys see here, the RSI was 70 at the 70 levels. And after that, the stock went into the downtrend. Now also, I'm observing the same situation in the stock. If you see here, the stock has given the breakout on the trend line with good volume and a good green Marubozu candle. But at the same time, if you see here, I can see there is a divergence in the stock price. The divergence means if you see here, the trend line, the nearest trend line is like this, and the RSI is coming down. So this is called as a divergence here. And the main important point is currently it is showing a hanging man pattern at the top. Earning has done on 15th of April, and RSI is kind of overbought zone. So high probability that the stock will start trading on the downside, and the first support for this stock is 380. If it starts trading below that and sustains, then the second target would be 367. Now I will be buyer in this stock only if it starts trading and sustaining above 394, which was its last high. The next stock is Walmart. If you see, the Walmart was trading in the on the in the with the trend line, it looks like the stock is trading in the uh, downward zone. Now if you see the current price action, the stock is trading in this box. If the stock gives the breakout in this breakout from this stock and starts trading above this trend line resistance, then the stock can give you up move till 146 levels, and the next would be its all-time high. If the stock starts trading below this box, then the first target is at 136 and the second target is coming towards 134. The next stock is Roku. Now if you see at Roku, Roku has a long term trend line here. And this is the trend line resistance. Current price action says that Roku has high probability to show us the levels like this. It can go towards 361, and if it doesn't sustain there, then it will go towards 323. If Roku starts trading above $400, then the next target would be 423. So if someone is an aggressive trader and if he thinks that if index will go down, then definitely Roku might show the level of 361 and 323. The next stock here is SOXL. If you look at SOXL, currently it is facing this trend line resistance here. So I would, if I want to make a position in SOXL, definitely I will see if the stock breaks this trend line resistance, then only I will make the position in the stock. Otherwise, I will skip this stock. The stock has high probability to go towards $38, which is its first support. I will make the position in this stock only if it starts trading above $45. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope these levels will help you to decide on your trading or investing decision. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.